You know, one day I was on my sofa, watching TV, relaxing, drinking my juice. And then my dad comes up to me and says, I see you utilizing your time very well. So, what are your plans for the future? I may be just 14 years old, but that question still scares the bejesus out of me. People think I would have had it all planned out. I can't even decide on what to eat. You expect me to decide on what I want to do in life? But then it hit me. I actually gave it some thought. And I realized that, finding a career that makes us feel successful and satisfied isn't easy. It's not something we can just learn in school or just search on the web. It's a journey that is much more challenging. We all reach a stage in life where we can't choose what might be the best for us. The pressure that if I choose the wrong path today, I am going to regret it for the rest of my life. I don't want to grow up and say, oh man, I wish I would have done that. I wish I would have chosen that. Oh, I wish I could just go back in time and make all this easier for myself. I know most of you have thought about growing up, having a huge house, an expensive car, and a great job. But did we ever really think about what job? Don't worry, folks, because you aren't the only one facing the career dilemma. In fact, according to Personal Today, a staggering 9 out of 10 people say that they regret their career choices. Many pick a university course at random because they simply don't know what to do, or feel pressurized to choose because they think they're running out of time. Others are persuaded by their parents to follow their footsteps or make them choose a career that they wanted to pursue. And then again, all of this contributes to the fact that we all regret our choices. Though some of you may regret your career decisions, there are some people who can't even decide on one. So, the question that rises is that why are we at career choices, or career crossroads in fact? We have a billion things to do in the world, yet we cannot choose just one. Why is that? The reason is that we all live under a rock. We all lack the basic knowledge to inform ourselves about those billion careers lying behind that one major stream. I know we all have an inclination towards careers that sound nice, even if they're nowhere related to our interests. Many pick a career option or a professional choice based on an assumption that it's well compensated. You won't last long in a job you hate, no matter how high the salary might be. You know what? The biggest mistake that people make while choosing a career is that they run after money. In fact, we all run after money, just like a cat chasing a mouse. Even if you pick a career based on the money, you won't be happy and satisfied. Instead, you'll end up being dissatisfied and frustrated with every task at hand. Wait till you hear this. This is the best part. Believe it or not, some people even choose a career just because their friends are doing it. I mean, it may seem nice to be with your friends and all, but we don't realize that we all have different likes and dislikes. We all have different hobbies and passion and things we want to pursue. You know what? The worst and most annoying part about this is that none of us actually think about what we want to do. We always picture our bank accounts as full, but not as satisfaction. Why have all these regrets? Why not just choose something you'd be actually happy doing? The reason is that we all just rush. We all just rush like we're in a race. Even if it takes 10 months to decide what I want to do, it doesn't matter. So be it. As long as I'm doing something that brings a smile on my face, I am successful. Not because now I'll have money or I'll be rich. Because now I'll have something even money can't buy. Happiness. Because, I'd rather be happy and homeless rather than regretful and rich. We need to pick a career that will get us to jump out of bed each morning and make us look forward to getting to work. So even I was confused about my future. In fact, I was frustrated. I did something most of us do. Go and seek for advice. So I went to a friend. Yes, that friend. That friend who goes, hey mate, can't choose a career? Oh, no problem. It's super simple. Just go. Follow your passion. Whoa, that sounds like a far more durable plan for a successful career and a happy life. But wait, I don't even have a passion. But then again, what do we all do? We pack our bags to set on a mission to go find our passion. Passion helps us do extraordinary things, but it also fools us. People consider passion to be the key to success, but I'd like to counter. Though it may unlock, pun intended, our hidden determination, not all have one, and even if they do, not all want to take it up as their career. Instead, you would be trying to convince yourself that the first thing in front of you might be the one, or anything you're good at might be a newly found passion. Wait, hold up. I like plants. So am I going to be a gardener? No. That's what our mind does. We often confuse things that are hobbies, things that we like, or things that we're good at as our passion. When you're choosing a career or choosing a career path, make sure you choose something you would want to spend your day doing. Something you're deeply attached to, something you really care about. And most importantly, give yourself time. Taking a decision quickly doesn't mean it's the best for you. You know what? At this point, the world is your oyster. There are no limits on what you can do and on what you can achieve. You need to take the step out of your comfort zone and into the fight zone, where you are competing with your fear. You know, my mom always said, you can be whoever you want to be. Just make sure you're the best. Even if you want to sell food in a stall at the corner of a street, do it. Do it if you love it. Don't wait for happiness or success, because if you love what you do, you're already successful. Just believe in what you're doing, and nobody will be able to beat you at it. I don't want to grow up, retire, and realize, man, I can't believe I just wasted my entire life doing something I never even liked. Wasted my entire life being someone I never even knew. Don't wait for retirement to do something you've always wanted to do, to pursue your dreams. Start now, start today. It's a new opportunity because it's a new day. Be ready to take the risk. Be ready to put your whole life at stake. Put your heart, your soul, your energy, your whole faith into it. Keep working for it. Keep working for it till that voice tells you, you've done it, champ. You've done it. So, the next time you're on your sofa watching TV, relaxing, drinking some juice, and your dad comes up to you and asks you about your future, and you find yourself at a career crossroad, tell your dad, chill out, man, I got this, don't worry. Because you know, whatever I'll be, I know I'm going to be the best at it. Thank you.